Hey there, credit seekers! Ready to skyrocket your credit score and do it with a smile? Click the link in the description below for a special offer to get you started. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about credit cards. Yes, those shiny little pieces of plastic. If you don't have one, it's time to get one. But hold up, don't go wild with it. Use it for small purchases that you can pay off every month. Think gas, groceries, or that irresistible coffee from your favorite cafe. Pay it off in full and watch your credit score climb like a superhero scaling a building. Next, let's tackle those credit limits. Your credit utilization ratio is key. Basically, you want to use less than 30% of your available credit. So if your limit is $1,000, aim to keep your balance under $300. Simple, right? If you can, ask for a credit limit increase. But remember, don't think of this as an excuse to spend more. Just enjoy the boost to your score. Now let's talk about a little thing called credit mix. Having a mix of credit types can actually help your score. This means credit cards, installment loans like car payments, and even a mortgage if you're feeling ambitious. But don't stress if you only have credit cards right now. Just know that variety can be the spice of your credit life. Another quick hack: become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. If they have a solid credit history, you can piggyback on their success. Just make sure they're responsible, or this could backfire faster than a bad joke at a comedy show. And don't forget about those pesky errors on your credit report. Check your report regularly and dispute any mistakes you find. You'd be surprised how often errors happen. It's like finding a hair in your soup. Totally unacceptable. Finally, pay your bills on time. Every single time. Set up autopay if you're forgetful. Your payment history is the biggest factor in your credit score, so don't mess it up. So there you have it, a quick fun guide to boosting your credit score. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer and start building that score today. Remember, good credit doesn't just open doors, it opens the right doors. Thanks for watching, and happy credit building.